Hi all my cousins, I'm back with another video and I'll be doing a everyday makeup routine. So if you would like to see that type of video, then keep on watching. I'm going to use the e.l.f. brow pencil to fill in my eyebrows. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fun. I'm using the Real Techniques face brush to blend in that concealer. But here I'm just going back with an e.l.f. brow pencil to fill in any spots that I might have missed. To moisturize my face, I'm using the Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel. For my primer, I'm using the NYX #No Filter Blurring Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 355 Coconut. To set my face, I'm using the CoverGirl's loose powder in the color Translucent Medium 155. For my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline's Total Temptation. I'm using that same Real Techniques face brush that I used previously to make sure that everything is blended in. I'm using the Gloss Bomb by Fenty Beauty, but you definitely can use any kind of drugstore lip gloss that you have. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.